Welcome back to our channel. In the heart of the Australian outback, amidst the deserted landscapes, dwell some of the world's most venomous creatures. From lethal snakes to envenomating lizards and deadly spiders, this remote region is home to an array of dangerous predators. The inland taipan. Meet the inland taipan, a 2-meter-long snake that holds the title of the most venomous land snake on Earth. Its venom is so potent that a single bite can kill 250,000 mice. Beautifully adapted to survive in the harsh desert conditions, this snake is a formidable predator that preys on warm-blooded mammals. The Gila monster. In the southwestern United States and northwestern Mexico, the Gila monster, the largest land lizard in North America, thrives. Though sluggish and solitary, this lizard possesses venom glands that can deliver a powerful bite. However, its venom is mainly used for defense against predators like coyotes and birds of prey. The blue-ringed octopus. Venturing into the shallow waters of the Pacific Ocean, we encounter the magnificent blue-ringed octopus. This tiny golf ball-sized creature carries 2 types of venom. One used to paralyze its prey of crabs and mollusks, and the other reserved for defense, potent enough to kill an adult human within minutes. The redback spider. Scattered across Australia, the redback spider is infamous for its striking red stripe and potent venom. While the venom can be deadly to its main prey, insects and small lizards, only 1 in 5 bites causes significant envenomation in humans. An effective anti-venom has reduced human fatalities significantly. The Sydney funnel web. Finally, we meet the fearsome Sydney funnel web spider. Armed with downward-pointing fangs and highly toxic venom, the male of this species is particularly dangerous. Its venom can cause severe reactions in humans, potentially leading to death without prompt anti-venom treatment. Each of these creatures holds the potential for serious harm, making the Australian outback a place where caution and respect for nature are paramount. From the elusive inland taipan to the venomous Sydney funnel web, these creatures have adapted to survive and thrive in one of the harshest environments on the planet.